USA, USA. The big and intimidating and powerful, and the Evolution series kind of stands as a crowning point for the future of American railroading. They were actually only put into production because of our Environmental Protection Agency's Tier 2 locomotive emission standard that took effect in 2005. It made a lot of older model diesels no longer fit the legal criteria. But General Electric really hit it out of the ballpark with these things because not only did they cut down on emissions to meet the EPA's new standards, but they preserved and in some ways improved on the diesel's tractive effort and overall power output. They're good. And in fact, in the January 2009 issue of Trains magazine, it was named as one of the 10 locomotives that changed railroading. And it was the only locomotive introduced after 1972 to be included on that list. So I'm not the only one that thinks the Evolution series are phenomenal, and they're likely to continue serving on American railroads for years to come. The British Rail Class 43, the high-speed train. I hate you. I hate you so much. Are you serious? Are you seriously doing this to me? I just spent 10 lists talking about you, and now that I've moved on to better things to make myself happy, you put yourself in front of me yet again. And I'm sure many of the people are watching are saying, "Ben, can you talk about the diesel?" I have a lot of questions. You know what? I've got a lot of questions too. For instance, how dare you? The British Rail Class 43 high-speed train, which should not be confused with the Class 43 warship class, because those Class 43s were totally different. And actually appeared in my War Stuff series, where this Class 43 was produced after the original Class 43 was built in accidents. The Class 43 is available. These do not have. Quite the opposite. This is one of the best diesels British Rail has ever made. And I know so far on this channel, I've set that bar super easy. I recognize that. Even at the standards of the General Electric Evolution just set for us, these things are good. They've been in service since 1976 and are UK rail fans, as I understand it. They've received a lot of life extension improvements since their introduction, and according to what I've read, it seems like every time they went to replace them, the replacements just were never as good. 43 stuck around, despite a lot of other classes coming and going. They're still working out there right now. I'm not talking about you again, but you win this round. This is a good one. Good work, guys. Pennsylvania Railroad Class G5. Now I'm back to what's familiar. The G5s were produced in the Pennsy shops in Juniata.